everyone, I'm Harsha Chaturvedi. I'm a second year MBBS student, and today we are going to discuss that how we can make the best use of this pandemic time in anything that we couldn't have ever learned. It is a golden opportunity for all of us, and we should utilize it to the best of our capacity. So, first, set everyday goals. If we don't have goals in life, we don't have any path, and if we have no path, then we are possibly chances are there that we will divert from whatever we are supposed to do or what we have thought that we will do. So, what would we like is that we can do any task that we would have thought that we would do, but we weren't able to do that because we didn't get that much time. So how we can do that? Now suppose like I like YouTubing, so I am doing this YouTubing, but I can do this only at weekend time. So what I do is that I do this at weekend time, and in the throughout the whole week I don't get time for it. So I keep doing my tasks. That is, I'm an MBBS student, so I have to do regular studies. I keep doing that throughout the week. I have my own targets, goals for every day. So what you should do is make a target that I have to complete this much in a day, and before the night before you have to make it, and you have to follow it religiously. Otherwise there's no difference if you don't follow it, whether you had made it or you haven't made it. Now second point is that you can do any thing that you haven't done in your lifetime, because you have got so much of time in this pandemic. You don't have any school, you don't have any college, you don't have any office, and I mean most of the offices, some of them are open for everyone to go, but most of them are closed. And then we can even create an app for ourselves. Like some people are doing this, they are creating apps during this time. They are getting so much of time, free time, they like to it is their hobby that they would like to create an app, so they are utilizing this time. Then the third point is that you have to maintain regularity. If you don't maintain regularity, there is no point of doing anything or starting with anything, because being regular is the first key to learning anything, be it cooking, be it stitching, be it gardening, be it anything. For example, if you are a NEET aspirant or a JEE aspirant, you have to practice MCQs religiously, because if you don't practice MCQs or concepts that you have maybe read or you have learned, you cannot then implement those concepts. If you have to implement those concepts, you have to do MCQs, as much as MCQs in this time, because you are getting loads of time. And even if you would have to go to college or something, if you are NEET PG aspirant, then also ideally we should solve MCQs, but moreover we are getting more of time. Personally speaking, for example, I couldn't cook anything before this time, but in this time I learned certain things, certain dishes, if you can say, how to cook, like dal makhni, cake, and also chole. These delicious things I could never have thought of that I would make them with my own hands, and now I have learned how to make them, and I'm very happy about it. You can also make yourself happy by doing these things, and because you have got loads of time on your hands, whether you are doing anything apart from that, you have lots of time. And the last thing is that, and be happy, take time for yourself, do meditation, do exercise, practice yoga, and be with yourself, spend some time with yourself, so that you come to know that what are your weaknesses, what are your goals for future, how and why, what you would like to do, and all this time you can have with yourself. So basically, always spread happiness, stay happy, keep loving the environment, keep loving animals, keep laughing, and also make others laugh. Hope you all liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe the video. And let's meet next week. Bye bye.